An incredibly important part of the process so far has been the recruitment of the talent, capability, and capacity and experience we need to design and master plan, develop, operate, and ultimately manage, maintain, and sustain a signature park here on the Bay in Sarasota. We selected Sasaki not only because they design and master plan great parks, but also, and very importantly, because they build out, develop, and even help operate the parks they design and plan. We selected Bill Waddell because Bill, in over 30 years at Kimley Horn, has built more than 15 parks up and down the west coast of Florida and another 15 parks across Florida and the country. Collectively, the team's experience includes the Charleston Waterfront Park, Chicago Riverwalk, Corpus Christi North Bayfront Park, Alabama Gulf State Park, Cincinnati Riverfront Park, Wilmington Waterfront Park, the Tom Hannafin River's Edge Park in Council Bluffs, Iowa, Siesta Key Beach Park, the Bradenton Riverwalk, Celery Fields and Blackburn Point Parks, and both the Riverwalk at Kennedy Boulevard Plaza and the Perry Harvey Park in Tampa, Florida. The Sarasota community, the generous philanthropic community, the county, and the state, everyone is waiting and watching for the city to take the lead, to step up, and make the last decision it needs to make to move forward with implementation, namely approval of the partnership agreement with the Park Conservancy. When the city gives the go-ahead on the partnership agreement, the city will be the catalyst for funding commitments from not only the philanthropic community, but also from other government sources like the county and the state and the federal government.